In today's video, I will show you step by step how to blur a face in CapCut on PC. The first thing you need to do is import the video on which you want to blur faces. After importing the video, drag it onto the timeline, and then drag it again so that they are stacked on top of each other, as I have done. After that, select the top video by clicking on it, then go to Effects in the top left corner, and select Lens. Once you've clicked on Lens, find the blur effect and drag it onto the top video. If you want to increase the intensity of the blur, you can do so in the top right corner. After adjusting the blur intensity, click once on an empty space, and then click again on that video to select it. After that, go to the Mask option and choose Circle. Then, go to the beginning of the video by moving this line here to the start, and adjust the size of the blurred circle to cover the entire face. As you can see, this video is not static, and the face in the video moves, so we need to add keyframes that will track the face. If your video is static, you can skip this step. To add keyframes, click on the video to select it, ensuring that this line is at the beginning of the video. After that, find Position and click on this small icon here to set a keyframe. With the keyframe option enabled, move this line slightly and then adjust the blur to cover the entire face again. Repeat this process every few seconds for a better result. Here is what my video looks like after adding several keyframes. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.